What are you starting with? Walking bait?
Water.
Ace has got the Sammy rolling. Gonna be an interesting day. We haven't been out since the last tournament, which actually is not that different from any of the other tournaments we fished. Water temp 78. Hopefully we can just find a limit today. I'd be very happy with that. Wow. I'd also be very happy if I knew how to cast. Oh, which rod to choose? Oh,
he missed it.
Dang. Hang on. Throw this shaky up there at him.
Yeah, he popped it out of the water.
I heard. Got him. God. Must have been small.
Yeah. Probably.
I let him run with it for a while. Oh, someone else got it too. Yep.
No?
Just a little dink.
Okay.
Yeah, he's definitely not going to keep.
Well, maybe shallow points right now.
Maybe. First fish of the day. Nice. Here we go.
Tiny.
Tiny?
Yeah.
Topwater fish. He didn't eat it like a tiny one.
No, he didn't.
Sounded a lot bigger. Second fish in the boat of the day. Oh,
I got him over that tree.
you got him. Bring him in. Is he gonna keep?
He should.
Where's he at?
Right here.
Yeah, he'll keep for sure. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. First fish of the day. Ace caught on that walking bait. Pound and 3/4, something like that.
Yeah.
Smoked it.
All right.
Okay, okay. That's a start, bro.
We're gonna go get the shallow tree leaf out of this one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, he missed it. I was looking down at the GoPro when he ate it. Throw something. Yeah, throw a. Yep. First cast after I switched up to the walking bait. Got bit. Ace is following it up with the trick worm, or actually the Ned rig. I mean, he completely missed it. All these hooks are perfect. Let me get one more up here.
Did you see how high he
Out like 3 feet out of the water. That was sick. Get the net. Another shorty. Chill. Shaky.
That's more than last time, right?
Yeah. Another one on the black shaky. Fish?
Yep.
Good one? Huh? Stringer here, buddy. In there. T-rig?
Yep.
Nice.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, he's a little beat.
Yeah.
That's a solid one though. You say he was off of it a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Number 2 going in, Texas rig. First spot was good.
First spot was like a mile long.
Mile long. 2 fish, a bunch of shorts.
Keep it up. Oh, yeah.
I think we got action. Yep. Small. Tiny. Dink.
Yeah.
Kind of big. Oh. Oh, he dropped it. Got it? Jig! He dropped it Pick it back up. We'll keep.
Yeah.
Jig fish.
Catch, bud.
All right, fish number 3 going in. So we've caught quite a few fish on a big flat. That was early in the morning though.
Yeah.
And then one on a bluff wall. It was probably like 8 feet.
Huh?
I bet you it was at least in like 8 feet. But close to that shallow water. It was on the Guggen and Ketch Cove flipping jig. 3/8 ounce, light blue crawl trailer. I think that fish actually probably had it the whole time. It felt like when I reeled down to about setting the hook,
Yeah.
like he dropped it, but I think he just like spooked and ran toward the boat. It's been so long since I caught a jig fish, I forgot how to catch them. This feels good. Good fish, buddy. Thanks. There we go.
Oh, it just popped out.
Yeah. Solid. It's probably a 3. Number 4. Thank you.
Is that number 3? That's number 4.
Yeah. Number 4. It's probably a 3 something pounder. The jig going in the ice palace. Enjoy your stay. All right. I could do a jig bite, buddy.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Well, I was like over top of a limb or something, so I didn't feel the bite, but I just felt like the weight and kind of like a light pull. But when I set the hook, it felt good. Do you bit? Nice. Little one. Jiggy?
Jig.
Yeah. Oh, jig, yeah. Nice. Actually, dude, it's so hard to tell.
It's not.
Nah, it's probably 13.
That's like
Yeah, he's
12.
12, 13.
He didn't bite it good though.
Where was he?
Right at the edge of the grass.
Nice.
Maybe walked it like 3 feet or so.
Another shorty.
Hit it like a bluegill.
Did it?
Yeah.
Shorty on the jig. What time is it, Ace?
1 something.
1?
Oh, 12:45.
12:45. 4 fish in the well. Catching fish today, just
Sure are.
not a lot of big ones. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, still jigging. Oh. Two o'clock, 4 fish. Scramble time. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh. Flip. Yeah. Oh, he had another one with him too.
Did he really?
That's keeper.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's keeper.
Nice. Number 5. It looked like when you went to flip him, there was a second one right behind him. Number 5 going in. Ace got her on a jig. That was a jig, yeah?
Yeah.
Jig in.
We're gonna end it with.
Yeah, I think it's jigs all day kind of day. Good way to finish it off. Nice Ace. Probably 230. They looking all right?
Yeah, they're looking alright.
Good.
It's not as cold as I'd like it to be, but.
I hear you. 229.
I need that cat.
I'm glad you did too. That was a good fish. All right, last stretch of the day. 18 minutes. We need one more 14-inch fish for a limit. Wish you'd pull back.
Got one?
I got bit and then I got stuck. Okay, last one. Go ahead. You're good. Going in. 5 fish. That's it.
That's it.
Only 5. I hope. I think that's all we got in there.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So what if that might 11.73.
Cool.
11.73, John.
Here, I'll hold her open.
Yeah.
Go on, buddy.
Oh wow, he's fired up.
Follow the river.
All right, well, we finished the tournament up with 5 fish for the 11.72, I believe it was. And that was the last tournament of this season. Luckily, Ace and I did make the classic. We finished up in 14th place, and our club takes the top 15 teams total weight throughout the year, and the next 2 teams that have fished every event to fish in the classic. So luckily, we squeaked in there again, right in our sweet spot between 13th and 17th, but I'm just happy to be there. That's the reason we fish all of them throughout the season, is to make the classic. It's where you can make the most money, and it's just a really fun tournament to fish. It's 2 days. It's going to be October, I forget exactly the dates, but it's sometime like mid to late October, so we've got a few weeks till that. Definitely going to go up there and do some pre-fishing prior to the tournament, which will be the first time that we've done any of that this year. So definitely looking forward to it. I'm really excited. Also, huge congrats to my good friends Tyler Fultz and Matt McCluskey on winning Team of the Year. They crushed it, did an amazing job, caught a bunch of big fish. I think we looked at the total weights, and I can't pull them up on my phone right now, but at the end of the last tournament, we figured it out, and they beat us by something like 100 pounds, which is just ridiculous. I mean, it's awesome. So huge congrats to you guys. Congrats to everybody else who made the classic, and hope you guys are looking forward to that video. It's going to be out in a few weeks, but we've got a ton of content coming out over the next couple weeks. We've got the Swimbait Universe Swimbait Tournament here on the Chickahominy, which I'm definitely going to be fishing, and I'm actually fishing it with Tom from Dream Smasher. So pretty stoked on that. Really looking forward to meeting him and fishing with him and seeing how he does his thing with those baits. I'm going muskie fishing tomorrow for the first time probably in a year, and we're going to be getting after it really hard over the next few weeks / month. I've got some new rods to share with you guys too. I'm super stoked on them. If you guys want to stick around for any of that, make sure you click that subscribe button, leave a like on the video for me, and we'll see you on the next one.